Hey there, health enthusiasts. If you're a fan of garlic like I am, you know it's a powerhouse for flavor and health benefits. But are you making these common garlic mistakes? Stick around, and let's dive into the 11 pitfalls you need to avoid. Mistake number 1. Cooking garlic at high heat. Garlic's magical compounds like allicin get destroyed at high temperatures. Instead, cook it on low to medium heat to preserve its health benefits. Next up, number 2. Using pre-minced garlic from a jar. Fresh garlic is always best. Pre-minced garlic often has preservatives and lacks the potent health benefits of freshly crushed garlic. Mistake number 3. Not letting garlic sit after chopping. When you chop or crush garlic, let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This allows allicin to form, maximizing its benefits. Number 4. Storing garlic in the fridge. Garlic needs a cool, dry place, like your pantry. The fridge can make it sprout and lose its flavor. Mistake 5. Not peeling garlic properly. Here's a tip: crush the clove with the flat side of a knife, and the skin will come right off. Easy and efficient. On to number 6. Overcooking garlic. Overcooked garlic turns bitter and loses its nutrients. Add it towards the end of your cooking to keep its flavor and benefits intact. Mistake 7. Ignoring black garlic. This fermented form of garlic isn't just tasty, it's packed with antioxidants. Next time you see it, give it a try. Number 8. Using garlic powder as a substitute. While garlic powder is convenient, it lacks the potency of fresh garlic. Use fresh cloves for the best results. Mistake 9. Not using enough garlic. Don't be shy. Garlic is a superfood, and using more can elevate both your dish and your health. Number 10. Using garlic with a green sprout. If your garlic has sprouted, it's best to remove the green part. It's bitter and can affect the taste of your dish. And finally, mistake 11. Thinking garlic is a cure-all. While garlic has amazing benefits, it's not a miracle cure. Always combine it with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. So there you have it. Avoid these 11 common garlic mistakes, and you'll be on your way to maximizing its health benefits and flavor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Stay healthy and happy cooking.